tutorials videos, support us by like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get all new videos. Hello everybody, today is the second tutorial in Photoshop 2020. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove the shadow and adjust the color of this photo. First we have to unlock the background, then click right to duplicate it, then choose duplicate layer and hit OK. First you have to go to image, then adjustment, then go to shadow and highlights. We have now two options. First is shadows and amount, second is highlights and amount. We have to reveal more options by clicking here, show more options. Here you can see more options like radius in every item, and here is the adjustment color and midtone. In the right side you can see preview. You can uncheck it and check it. This option can review any changes that you do live. We have to go to color, increase the color, then reduce the midtone to make it -80, and from highlight we can make the radius 60. We have to make the tone around 30. Here also the amount must be 30 to adjust the color more. For shadow we have to reduce it to become 8. Eight to 9, I think 8 or 9 as you want, but I think 8 is more better. For the tone we have to make it 30 also and hit OK. As you can see we adjust the color and adjust the shadow. We can check that. You can see that's the original photo, that's after adjustment. You can see big difference, right? That was our lesson. If you like the video, please support us by your like and subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell to get all new videos.